Oh, hi, welcome back. So, we're going to add one element to the exercise, to the mechanics of it, and that is the tongue. The tip of the tongue. We're going to place it nice and relaxed on the roof of the mouth, on the palate. So, the tip of the tongue should be touching nice and relaxed the palate. Yeah? And this is important because by doing so, we're going to establish the connection between the two channels. Okay? So, let's practice. Again, relax, barefoot, shoulder width, separation, toes facing forward. Tip of the tongue touching the palate, the roof of the mouth. Okay? Let's do it 5 times. Beautiful. Good. See you in a few minutes.